Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Lonely's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for May 21st through June 4th. First, going to take a look at the current fire conditions across the country. Looks like the closest fire you can find is in Colorado. This is, oops, that's a retard. Okay, this is current in Colorado, and there's some down here in New Mexico too. There's some fires here across this area, and okay, and there's some fires current down here, and I don't see any more in Arizona, and surprisingly, oh. Okay, I was going to say I don't see any in California, but there's some here in California also. And also in Oregon and in Washington State. So you can see the fire then stretching into Montana. Some also in Canada. So we're taking a quick glance at the fire situation across the country. Okay, also, we're going to take a quick look at severe weather. There was, okay, I think it's over here. There is a severe thunderstorm warning or watch, I think, in effect here. Okay, the special weather system, special weather statement. I think this was a severe thunderstorm watch here. And this is because of heavy rainfall. Now, if you look at the rainfall amounts here, we have the highest amount. I was looking at this earlier. Yeah, it's still about 51.8 dBZs. I think that's about the highest you can see. So that's the only watch warning occurring at this time. That can still change. Okay? So now we're going to get to our, another thing. Okay, another thing. Here's our Central American gyre. It's an area, just their weather here. And it's an area still being watched, although I think chances are decreasing due to its proximity to land. But if you take a look at the closest, the visible satellite imagery, you can see thunderstorm convection occurring on the northern side, overshooting tops, but and also down here in the southeast quadrant, and also here in the southwest quadrant, you can see some overshooting tops. So this is the area of weather that we're looking for. And as I showed you yesterday, the map of tropical development around this time of year occurs down in this area. Okay, now we're going to get to the forecast. This is for the period. This is for the period May 21st to 25th. And we see we have an amplified flow. We still have our ridge near the Aleutians. We have upper low here. We have another ridge across the eastern Pacific. And we have a trough here in the west and a ridge here building in the east. This pattern will result in cooler temperatures across the Rockies. And we'll take a look at that. And this cooler weather will cause snow levels to drop and bring snowfall, especially in this area. Maybe this will help with the fire situation here in Colorado. I think it looks like it's further to the north. There is some precipitation further south, but probably not enough to put out the fire there. So this will bring cooler temperatures here, and the ridge in the east or the east central states will cause hot temperatures, summer-like temperatures, 80s and 90s, along with humid conditions. And then we'll have tropical moisture here that will move into Florida and bring heavy rain across that area. We're going to look at the period now from May 26th to the 30th. And the flow doesn't really change very much during this period. We still have upper low here, ridge here, trough here in the west, ridge here in the east. So the models are pretty good agreement with that. So for this forecast period, I am calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be about 2 to 4 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures forecast here, with anomalies of 4 to 10 degrees at least above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrences near 40%, below normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrences 35 to 45%. Now we're going to look at the period for May 31st through June 4th. And the flow, again, doesn't change at all, maybe a little weaker, but we still have our trough in the west, ridge in the east. We have our ridge here that kind of retrogrades back and is more in between Hawaii and the west coast. So for this forecast period, calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be about to be about 2 to 4 degrees above normal. I didn't put the anomalies in the writing part. And for above normal temperatures forecast here with anomalies of 4 to 10 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is near 40%. Below normal precipitation forecast here. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for May 21st through June 4th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.